Hey guys, welcome back to Aldo. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily hem a skirt without sewing. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Aldo and I make sewing, DIY, and style videos. So if you like those type of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. If you get a maxi skirt, you can actually do a lot of things to it. You decided to do a mini skirt, a midi skirt, or a high and low hem. This process is pretty much the same for all of those three style of hemlines. I'm going to turn the fabric like this so you can see what I'm doing. So I decided to trim off about 7.5 inches on the hemline. So I actually like to start measuring from the original hemline up just because you will know that your hemlines are going to be even all the way around. Don't forget to add that 1 inch allowance on the hemline. Now it's time to prep the hemlines. This is very important. So I'm just folding it about 1/2 inch and then I'm going to press it. Then I am going to fold it one more time, another 1/2 inch, so I can insert the hemming tape later on. This is what I'm going to be using today. This is called the Heat and Bond, and this is the iron-on hemming tape. Basically just going to follow the instruction at the back of the packaging. Now go ahead and insert the hemming tape in between the hemlines just like this, and I'm going to press it with a medium hot iron, and I'm going to hold it for 3 seconds. It'll be easier if you are going to work in section just like I'm doing here. And after 15 minutes, I have this skirt right here and I think it looks super cute. So that's it you guys, and I hope you liked this simple tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit that notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you in the next video. Bye!